Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. I have a confession. I have to get this out front, and I'm sure it's going to be shocking to everyone. I am not a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer. Yet, I read the law. I read the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. I have read HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley. I've read the new SHIELD law from New York State that's coming out. I've read the California Privacy Protection Act, or whatever the heck it's called. I have read a lot of law. Oh, and PCI rules, which aren't even laws. It's just some regulatory body within a banking organization. And hey, man, if the banks tell you to do something, you better jump. I'm not a lawyer. Yet, I read all this law stuff. Why? Well, here's the deal. I'm a data professional. I have to manage data. I have to protect it. I have to come up with the best ways to ensure that I am meeting the needs of my organization. And yes, the needs of my organization are going to be defined by that organization. I'm not going to come up and tell my boss, you must meet the GDPR requirements. I'm going to work with my boss. I'm going to work with the legal department. I'm going to work with these people because maybe they don't know about the GDPR, or maybe I don't know what they know. And I'm going to talk to these people. I'm going to communicate. I'm going to understand what's going on. And I'm going to do this for several reasons. One, that old school thing of, well, it's all ones and zeros. It doesn't matter what the business does. That's crap. There's any number of reasons why that's crap. For example, the business cycle is going to affect the way you do backups, or you may anticipate a higher load at certain points of the year, so you need to make sure that you've got things ready for that. All kinds of things around the business affect data and data management. You need to be on top of that. GDPR, the new California regulation, all the rest of these things, HIPAA, SOX, all of these things affect your data management. All of them affect your data management directly. And you need to anticipate the things coming at you. You don't want to find out, oh, really? We need to do high availability? Well, I don't know what that is. Maybe, do you need to know every single possible detail of how to manage availability groups before you have one? No, you can't know everything ahead of time. But should you know what these things are and how these things work in a general sense in order to be better prepared for the work that you have to do? Yes, you should. So please, I actively encourage you, read about the new California regulations. It's going to affect you. Read about the new New York regulations. They're going to affect you. The GDPR may affect you, and if you don't know what that is, go look it up. PCI, if you manage credit card information, is going to affect you. Sarbanes-Oxley, if you're a publicly traded company, is going to affect you. HIPAA, if you're doing health insurance of any kind, is going to affect you. Every single one of these regulations can reach out and grab us. If you're managing data, you need to know about the regulations. You need to learn the laws as it regards the technology so that you can better support your organization, so that you are a better DBA, so you are a better developer, you are a better data pro. You know the information that's under management with your systems. You're taking proactive steps to ensure that the protections and the privacy and the compliance are all put in place correctly, safely, quickly, in a way that you can manage long term, rather than in some reactive, oh my God, really, we have to do this? Why? I don't care. No, we get in front of this stuff. We be proactive as DBAs. We get on top of it. I may not be a lawyer, but I can read the law. So can you. Get out there, get it done. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.